So that is the two cable that we remove. So basically you use a small tool like this, short and small. You push it on the top where the tap stay. One hand put the one on the top with the tap, so the tap stay down, and then the other hand you try to jiggle and pull it out. The same thing. And the black one stay at the bottom, the white one on the top. And now we actually plug them in to our wiring harness, and we'll see the big one stay there. So the big one actually is this one. Here you go. Okay, so you can see that it slides straight into our wiring harness, and the other end here you plug back at the bottom of that, white module. So you're good on that. Now for another thing, we have to take, okay, done on that. So what you do is, now this white one go back down there. We don't need to use this one just stay back into the place. Okay,